Hello, kids. First, we need to draw 6 square boxes. Let's go. Now let's draw the fruits inside. The first fruit is an apple. Our second fruit is an orange. The third fruit's name is a banana. The fourth fruit is a watermelon. The fifth fruit is a grape. And finally, our sixth fruit is a strawberry. Now let's thicken the lines. It will be easier to color them this way. Now it's coloring time. Let's call this one the apple. This one is the orange. And this one is the banana. This slice is the watermelon. This one is the grape. And finally, the strawberry. Yes, there are 6 fruits in total. Now we are going to color them beautifully. Let's go. Let our pencils come out. Yes, the pencils look great. We will color them all with different colors. We'll use the correct colors for the orange, banana, and apple. Let's pick one from our pencils and check the tip. It looks big and colorful. I think coloring will be wonderful. Let's arrange them on the side so it's easy to color. We'll start with the apple first. Tell me, what color should I use? Can you tell me the name of this color? Yes, you got it. The color is red. We love red fruits. Now for the stem and the leaf. The leaf is green. And we colored the apple stem yellow. Now it's time to color the orange. I'll color it and you tell me the color, okay? Can you tell me the name of the orange's color? Yes, the color of the orange is orange. Orange color. Just like with the apple, let's make the leaf green. And the stem yellow. After the orange, we can move on to the banana. Do you know what color I'll use for the banana? Tell me the color I'm using for the banana. Can you whisper it? I can't hear you. Can you say it again? Congratulations, you got it. It's yellow. Now that we've colored the stem, the banana is complete. Next is the watermelon. Let's color it in its natural color. Can you guess the color? Do you want me to help you? We colored the apple in this color too. Yes, you know all your colors. It's red. Watermelon is red. Now let's color the rind. Yes, watermelon rinds are usually green. Now for the grapes. Grapes can be different colors, but you tell me which one I should use. Grapes come in clusters. We pick and eat them one by one. Could you guess this color? Yes, you really know all the colors. It's purple. Now let's color the stem and the leaf. Most fruit leaves are green. And we colored the stem yellow. Now for my favorite fruit. The strawberry, of course. What should we do with it? Let's use two colors. That didn't work. Yes, let's use this color. Can you tell me what color this is? Bravo! I colored this strawberry pink. Let's color the other one a different color. Yes, strawberries are usually red. Bravo! You knew that too. Now let's color the leaf and the stem. Or rather, the little cap on top. Yes, it looks beautiful. Now let's list their names again. What do you think? Or let's add some details first. Let's decorate it a bit. Okay, it's going to be great. It turned out amazing. The little dots look so good. Oh, wait! I forgot to color the strawberry stem. Let's make that yellow too. Now, let's repeat their names. Ready? Apple, orange, banana. Watermelon, grape, and strawberry. Yes, that's all our fruits. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And follow me. Goodbye. See you later.